welcome to Double G's Garage. Maybe the one reason you're not building a steel garage is because you're afraid you're not going to be able to do this. You know, some of you may have a garage that's stick built, some of you may have a steel building garage, and some of you might be shying away from getting a steel garage because maybe it doesn't have the features that you would like in a stick built. I've even seen some comments that say, hey, that steel garage, it's not really a garage, it's a carport with sides. Well, I disagree. I've had both, and so I built 2 years ago, I built this steel garage, and it's got all the features that I want and plus some. So one of the things I wanted to talk about today is garage door opener options. So some of you might shy away from these that have the roll-up doors because, hey, it's expensive to get one of the jack shaft garage door openers, or maybe you don't even know those exist, and you're like, how can I have a garage door opener in a steel garage? So I'm going to show you a solution to that, and something that works really great. For those of you that are hesitating getting a metal garage versus a stick built, I really don't understand. I've got everything that I want in a garage in my metal garage building for a fraction of the cost of building a stick built, and I've had both. So, you know, I mean, I've got TV in here, I've got internet in here, I've got power run everywhere that I need it run, I've got air conditioning in here, I've got an epoxy floor, I've even got a car lift. Everything that you would need, I've got in a garage. So again, if you're contemplating the difference between getting a stick built and maybe you think the features aren't there, I disagree. The features are there in a metal garage if you build it the right way. So we're going to concentrate today obviously on the garage door opener, but you know, while I'm doing this, here's some of the features that I have. Like I said, I've got TV. Of course, it's always on Double G's Garage. So I've got content playing. I've got a little window AC unit that does perfectly fine. If I can get over here to it. I've put insulation behind the walls. I've got tongue and groove pine board. Again, it's still under construction. I've had this for about 2 years, and I'm just getting it to where I want it. I'm gonna put a lot of more pictures, memorabilia, things like that up. I did my own epoxy floor. I contracted out the slab, and I contracted out the building itself. But again, like I said, I've got everything that I would want in here. If you don't know any better, you may think that the only solution to opening a roll-up garage door is to buy one of the expensive jack shaft garage door openers, which I'll put a link to one that I found on Amazon. So I'm going to show you a solution that'll help you with that problem. So here's my solution to not having to purchase the expensive jack shaft garage door opener. I simply purchased a Chamberlain $99 garage door opener from the local big box store, and you mount it sideways on the wall. I've got garage door opener functions. I've got the sensors. It's a little bit noisy, but hey, anybody out there that is has that engineering mindset and can do a better job on the installation, hey, post it up in the comments. I would love to hear what you say about how to make it less noisy. I just did it with washers. I'll show you a close-up view of what I did here. I bought some steel stock from the local big box store. You mount it to the track on the bottom of the garage door itself. And then in the middle, right here to connect the garage door opener to it, I used an eye bolt. I used a pin, quick connect type of pin, and I just attached it to the shaft. that goes on the track for the garage door opener. And as you can see, it's just a regular $99 Chamberlain garage door opener. Quick and easy. Mounted it instead of mounting it horizontally, I mounted it vertically on the front wall. And of course, the only downfall, it opens both my doors at the same time. Who cares? And again, I truly believe if you were to beef up this track a little bit right here, you could run one door off of it if you just have a single garage door. For my particular steel building, I ordered it specifically the way I wanted it, and that's another thing we could get into talking about. But basically what I ordered is I ordered 9-foot sidewalls and 8-foot garage doors. I'm 6'3", so I needed the space in here. My garage is approximately 22 by 22. I think the actual dimensions is 23 left to right and it's 20 front to rear. It's just the way it turned out when I poured the slab. But one thing to be careful of if you decide to go the route, maybe I'm talking you into going the route with a metal garage. There are dimensional costs that get added in if you go outside of what a standard dimension is. So just to kind of keep you keyed in, if you look at the sidewalls over here, which I haven't gotten to putting the pine on, I'll show you over here. I'm kind of doing a combination. I've got the pine wood, and I started with some corrugated metal and tried some different things. Eventually, I'm gonna have the pine going all the way up, tongue and groove, on all 4 walls, and I'm putting the insulation boards behind it. But the corrugated, I wasn't real happy with the way it could support and hold my crooked pictures here. But eventually the entire roof or ceiling, I'm gonna cover in the corrugated, and I've already got the foam boards up for insulation all the way around. Using the 1999 Harbor Freight LED lights, 4 of them, and you can see I've got really good lighting in here. But back to the garage door opener. Like I said, $99 instead of, if I had gone the jack shaft route, they're what, $399 a piece. I would have had to have 2 of them to open both doors. What a great solution. Whole lot less expensive. And again, if you've got a better idea of how to mount this, if you've got that engineering mindset, and maybe some nylon bushings or something to make it quieter, post it up. You know, I'd be grateful to hear what you're doing. Well, that about does it for the garage door opener. Hopefully I gave you some good ideas and maybe convinced a few people who were on the fence whether they were going to get a steel or metal garage versus a stick built. I'm really happy with the choice I made, and of course the cost savings that's involved with that. But hey, if you like what you saw, please, we're just starting out a YouTube channel here. Visit some of my other YouTube content. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You'll really help us out, and we can produce more of these videos and have more content for you. So again, thanks for stopping by and have a great day.